Greetings to everyone. So, to apply a double exposure mask, in other words, to make a collage, we need to first add two videos. For me, it will be these two cats. Next, we go to the mask tab, and here we choose any type of collage we like. I will choose the split type, kind of classic. And we therefore add a split to each video and set the degrees. If we want them to intersect diagonally, then we enter 41 and 139. Well, I'm showing this as an example. If you want them to intersect differently, then adjust the degrees to your preference. This is the image I got from two videos. I hope this video was definitely useful for you.